Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in beautiful Celina, Texas with an already warm morning here. We are going to be doing a media room project here today. Stay tuned after the intro. Alright guys, well if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining us. Please consider subscribing as it really helps us out. We do home theater, media rooms, automation, networking, pretty much anything media related. Today we're going to be doing a media room. It's going to feature Klipsch RP-6000F and the RP-404C in walnut. We've got an SPL-120 as well. We've got Control4 for the remote. We have an Epson 4050 Pro Cinema 4K projector. We're going to be doing a Severtson Cinema White screen, which is the IMAX material from Severtson. We've got a strong Evolve series rack, which is a modular rack. It's really cool and works really nicely in a lot of applications, which we'll show you here. So we're going to get to work and show you that process. All right, so we're going to zoom out here. Here's our media room. So previous owner has left the in-wall speakers here. This is part of the next phase. We're going to probably upgrade these just a mono price in-wall speaker, but customer wants to do something in the next phase to match the performance of the Klipsch speakers. So we've got a built-in console here. These shelves come out and we're going to be putting the strong Evolve series rack in here. So we're going to have a 120-inch screen on the wall here. You can see it is pre-wired for the speakers here. And we've got a projector here. So previous owner left the mount, although this mount is kind of useless, or the base for the mount, but they did not bring the rest of the mount. So, or leave the rest of the mount, they took that. So we're gonna tackle that. We have a dual love seat, Octane seating, Azure seating coming in today. So we'll have that as well here. It's really nice options that we've got here. So it's gonna fit perfectly. We're gonna have about 2 feet of, well, a little over 2 feet of walk space here, so they can come around, and then be able to have dual love seats here. It's really nice solution. We are dealers for Octane seating, the full lineup. So if there's anything you're needing from that as well, give us a call. You know, we are direct dealers for pretty much everybody that all the equipment that we mentioned here. All right, guys, so just an update. Realized I just got to work and forgot to give you a status of everything. So we've got the 120-inch screen built here. We've got the springs here for tension, so they will automatically adjust here. What's really nice about having the springs, there's actually even smaller ones. If they ever need to be stretched additional in the future, we can replace the springs here with smaller springs for additional tension. So we've got this put together. The next step we're going to do here is do measurements and get everything on the wall and get the screen hung. The delivery for the seats is about an hour out. So we want to get this on the wall so that we are out of the way for the seats. All right, so you can see we've got our laser level up here. We've got it set to where we're going to have the bottom of the screen just a few inches above the top of the speaker. We've got a Sanus center channel speaker stand. The speaker center channel from Klipsch is going to go right on top of that, and then we're going to have the screen here. So we've got, you want to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. So we've got the laser level going all the way across here so that we can easily mark where we want to have the brackets and everything else there. All right, so we've got the brackets up right there. Literally it just hangs right inside the lip here. Zoom in. So the hooks just go right inside the lip right here. It just hangs just like a picture frame. And just like that, we've got the screen up. So next we're going to be putting in the RP-6000F in walnut. We're going to go ahead and get these lined up here. All right, so the seats have been delivered. You can see that's the Azure model. I believe it's the cognac and black. So it's just a really nice rich brown color with a black leather. This is the gonna have the Italian leather with German motors, memory foam, everything. These things are loaded. We even get the black, the plastic covering is still on it, but it's a black table. Goes into the accessory dock right here. So we'll give a little more overview and detail once these are all set up, but got them just placed here for the time being. As you can see, it's the dual love seat configuration. So we're going to pull a new HDMI cable and Ethernet here for the projector. We're going to do is talk to the homeowner. We're going to have an electrician pull put a new electric outlet in here. So for a temporary solution, we're just going to have the power cable going up there just for the time being, so that they can get functional until the electrician comes out here. So you see we've got the 120-inch screen here. We've got the RP-6000Fs on either side and the RP-404C in walnut. And this is on a Sanus 18-inch center speaker mount. So as you can see, we've got this here, really nice walnut finish on all of these speakers. So there will also be an SPL-120 up here for the subwoofers. You can see we've got the shelves pull out of here. We're going to be putting that strong Evolve rack down there as well. So we're going to get to work on running those additional cables here. All right, guys. Well, I realize I have not been recording for quite a while now, but we're just about to finish up here. We're going to finish vacuuming and cleaning up the room, but wanted to give a quick overview of everything we've done. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a quick show. All right, so first things first, you can see we've got the rack here. This is the Evolve series. This is technically in a 13U configuration. We've got it on the casters here, so this can easily be pulled out and service everything behind here. As you saw earlier in the video, there was just shelves here. You can see every point, there was just 3 shelves or 4 shelves there. And connecting and working on all the equipment was very, very difficult. So we went ahead and I've got the AC Infinity on the top, the T10, that's the front-facing front ventilation fan. The Denon AVRX 2700H, the Roku Ultra Dish Joey box. That's another AC Infinity. So what that is, it actually will pull all the air out there. So since this is a solid shelf, wanted to give the heat that's going to come out of the switch and the Control4 EA1. So that's the EA1, that's the switch, and this is a watt box, 10 outlet watt box. All of that is going to have heat, and that can ventilate air out that way. Over here, let's go and zoom out. We've got the 120-inch Severtson Cinema White screen material. That is the same material that you'd find in an IMAX theater. We've got the RP-6000F on either side in walnut, the RP-404C on a Sanus 18-inch center channel speaker stand, and the Klipsch SPL-120. Over here, we have in the dual love seat configuration, is the Octane seating Azure. So the way these seats work here, as you can see, this is the Control4 SR260 remote. As you've seen in our other videos, we'll have a link in the description below and a card up in the corner for other videos that show an overview of the system, very similar system to this. Underneath the armrest is a brand new black accessory. This is the black table. So you can see it's got the aluminum post there. It goes right into the accessory dock. And now there is a table. This is just a plastic film that's on here. They can peel that off whenever they like, but leaving it here. So got that there. Go ahead and take this out. Very, very deep armrests. Go fit all the way below, beyond my elbow is down in there. So we're going to take this out, put it in here. There's other accessories that you can use for these as well. This is an aluminum cup holder. It's really nice. It's not plastic. This comes out. If you ever spill a drink or anything, this can easily come out and be cleaned. This is the LHR series. So we've got the headrest, lumbar support, as well as recline, and the light will turn on and off. There is lighting underneath the seats, but I have unplugged those just because it is really bright and the customer did not want those on. So you see the dual love seat and the other love seat here. So this is the cognac and black. We have the Epson Pro Cinema 4050. You can see the power cable there. Yes, we know it is there. The previous homeowner had just run an extension cord through the wall for a power cable, and the customer is going to have an electrician come out. They're coming out to install some other stuff for them, so they're going to have an electric outlet put in right there. We've got an essential forward phase dimmer here as well, which is controlled by the SR260 remote or the Control4 app. As you can see here, we can easily turn it on and off just with the press of a button. We've also got 20% and 50% presets for them, and that's customized to however the customer would like. So that's just a quick overview of the room here. All right, guys, well, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching the video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified of future videos. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're interested in a system like this, or automation, whole home audio, networking, anything media related, please give us a call at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We are authorized dealers for Klipsch, Epson, Control4, Denon, Marantz, Octane seating, and various other, several other brands. So again, please call us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Look forward to getting that next video out. Thanks, guys.